Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix your Smart Life app if it's not working. So let's get started. If your Smart Life app isn't opening, crashing, or not responding properly, there are a few simple fixes you can try. First, completely close the app. Don't just minimize it, remove it from your recent apps so it fully shuts down. Then reopen it to see if the issue is resolved. Sometimes a simple restart of the app can fix temporary glitches. Next, make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Go to your device's app store and search for the Smart Life app. If you see an update option, install it. Updates often fix bugs, improve performance, and resolve compatibility issues that may be causing the problem. You should also check your internet connection. The Smart Life app depends on a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection to control smart devices. If your connection is weak or unstable, the app may fail to load devices or respond properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router to refresh the connection. If the problem continues, go to your phone's settings and open the App section. Find the Smart Life app in the list either by searching for it or scrolling down alphabetically. Once you open it, tap on Storage and select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing the app to malfunction. If clearing the cache doesn't work, you can also choose Clear Data. Keep in mind that clearing data will log you out, so you'll need to sign in again. As a final step, you can uninstall and reinstall the app. Go back to the App Store, uninstall Smart Life, and then download and install it again. Reinstalling gives the app a fresh start and can fix deeper software issues. After reinstalling, log back into your account and check if everything is working properly. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.